Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to switch back from Gemini to Google Assistant. So, let's get started. First, open the Gemini app on your phone. This is the app where Google is currently testing its newer AI features. But if you're looking to go back to the classic Google Assistant, here's how. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon. You'll find this icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually shows your profile picture or initials. After tapping the icon, scroll down through the settings menu until you find the option that says Switch to Google Assistant. This is the setting that lets you revert to the previous Assistant experience. Tap on that option. On the next screen, you'll see the Google Assistant icon. Tap on it to move forward. At this point, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to switch. Tap on the button that says Switch. Your phone will now switch from Gemini back to Google Assistant. This usually takes just a few seconds. To confirm the switch, try using your voice assistant the way you normally do. For example, you can say Hey Google or hold down the power button, depending on your phone settings. If everything worked, you should now be interacting with Google Assistant instead of Gemini. And that's how you can switch back from Gemini to Google Assistant. Frustrated with both Gemini and Google Assistant? I've switched to using Poppy AI for all my AI needs. It combines the best AI models like GPT-4 and Claude without the limitations of Google's assistants. Check out my full Poppy AI tutorial on this channel where I show exactly how to use it as a complete beginner.